Silixa's cable orientation beacon is a downhole sensor package measuring 1-inch outer diameter and 10 inches in length. Rated to 10,000 psi and 150 degrees Celsius, it comprises a downhole battery, relative bearing sensor, electronics and sound source. The beacon is designed to install under a standard downhole cable clamp. It has a keyed orientation and sits alongside the fiber optic cable sharing the same azimuth on the outside of the casing. Different clamp designs are available to ensure that the additional hardware remains as low profile as possible. The resulting assembly offers a much reduced annular profile when compared to current methods and should allow for better cement placement. As the casing is being run, a number of beacons are installed alongside the fiber optic cable on the outside of casing as part of the normal clamping arrangement. The electronics package includes a thermomechanical switch so that the battery pack is not engaged until the device has experienced elevated temperatures downhole. A programmed delay then ensures that the device does not begin measurement or signaling until a predetermined period has elapsed. This allows for the casing string to be landed in its final position so that the beacons are spaced out along the production interval. Each beacon has a programmed duty cycle to ensure battery life over several days. After temperature and time parameters are met, each device measures its own bearing relative to the high side of the hole, and it codes this value to drive the internal sound source. The optical fiber is interrogated from surface using Silixa's IDAS, picking up the acoustic effect from each beacon along the cable path. The application software decodes the signal and determines the relative bearing of each beacon as well as its exact distance along the fiber path. Fiber distance provides highly accurate depth calibration points to tie in with well completion depth. The result is a permanent log of cable position versus depth, which can be used with confidence to add oriented perforations throughout the life of the well without damaging the fiber optic cable.